Hello and welcome to my channel HSC Vlog by Bilal. Today we will talk about the incident investigation using TapRooT method. Whether you are a safety officer or supervisor or just interested in improving workplace safety, this method is an excellent tool for identifying and addressing the root cause of the incident. Let's dive in. To understand how TapRooT method works, let's imagine a scenario. A worker walks into a storage area on a cold morning and this floor is icy, they slip and they fall. Luckily, they are not badly hurt. How we can stop this from happening again? That's where TapRooT method help us. Now, after defining a problem, now we should move to step 2 in which we create a snapshot. It's simple tool to map out what happened before, during and after the incident. You write down each event step by step like this. The worker entered in an area, the floor was icy, he slipped and fell. This helps us see a fully picture and identify where things went wrong, such as absence of warning signs or anti-slips, mats, blah blah blah. Once the timeline is ready, we will move to the third part in which we analyze the causal factors. These are the conditions or the decisions that directly contributed to the incident, and in this case, lack of de-icing procedure and poor hazard communication could be direct cause or contributing factor. Okay, for a moment, if we stop identifying the direct cause or contributing factor, we are not done yet. That's not the goal. Now we need to dig deeper using the TapRooT cause tree. The TapRooT cause tree is a tool that helps us to ask why for every issue. This is like a peeling back the layer of an onion to find what really at the core. For example, in our scenario why there was no de-icing procedure, let's explore. Was it because the worker was not trained on identifying icy conditions? Did management fail to implement proper policies? Or was there a lack of resource like anti-slip mats or de-icing equipment? The taproot cause tree guide us keep asking why until we uncover the actual problem. There maybe the issue was not just poor policies that management did not prioritize winter safety planning, or maybe workers reported the hazards but once acted on it. The step ensure we move behind surface level fix, like saying it was an IC, so let's put up a sign. Instead, we address the root cause, like implementing a regular hazard check and proper de-icing procedure. The goal is to create a real, lasting solution that prevents the problem from happening again. So that is the way where that is the reason why we need taproot safety solution. After these all steps, even we find out the list of the reason by asking a questions, what will be the next step? Yes, once we identify, then we move to next steps, develop corrective action plan. Finally, we create corrective action plans that solve the root cause. For example, in our case, we can develop a winter safety policy, provide anti-slip mats, and train workers to identify and report hazards like icy surface. I believe these actions could be a clear, practical to prevent the same incident from happening again. The key is to fix the actual problem, not just treat the symptoms. Now we will move to our last step, that is lesson learned. Once the investigation is done, the next step is sharing what you have learned. Document the findings, discuss them with your team, and make sure corrective actions are carried out. Also, follow up to check if the solutions are working or not. Remember, safety is not a one time fix, it's an ongoing process. Every lesson learned makes our workplace safer. Okay, thank you for your watching. Hope this video helped you to understand that how TapRoot method can improve incident investigation. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for the more safety tips. Stay safe,